In this video, we'll be solving the NCERT exercise problems of class 10th mathematics, chapter real numbers. So let's go. So let's start with the exercise 1.1 and problem number 1.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So the problem states that express each number as a product of prime factors. So what we have to do is we have to express each number as a product of prime factors. We already know what are prime factors. Basically, prime factors are basically starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Correct? So we have to express each number in terms of product of these numbers. Okay, so let's start. So what is the first question? First question is we have to express 140 in terms of prime factors. So for that, what I have to do? I have to divide 140 with the prime factors. Correct? So I will start factorizing 140. So it is 2 70s, correct? 2 35s and 7, or else you can start with 5 also. You can do it with 5 also. If I go in ascending order, 5 7s, correct? 5 7s, and finally it is 7. It is 7 1s, correct? It is 7 1s. So basically, what are the factors? Factors are basically, so I can express 140. I can express 140 in terms of 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So how long I have to continue factorizing this? How long I have to continue till I get 1? I get 1 as the prime factor, correct? So this is basically 140. 140 can be expressed. So this can also be written as 2 squared into 5 into 7. So this is the answer for expressing 140 in terms of product of prime factors.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, we'll take one more example. Next example is 156, correct? So the second question is we have to express 156 in terms of product of prime factor. So what I have to do? I have to divide 156. I have to factorize. Basically, I have to factorize 156 with prime factor. So I'll start with 2. Okay, I'll start with 2. 2 it is 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16, correct? Then 2 3s are 6. Then it is 2 9s are 18. Then I'll go with 3. Correct? So 3 1s are 3 3s are, correct? Then I'll divide 13 with 13 and I'll get 1. So I can express 156 in terms of 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, correct? So this can also be written as 2 squared into 3 into 13. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer for my question 156. Okay, I hope this is clear. So can we take one more problem? Can we take one more problem?
Oh, okay.
Problem number 3. What is problem number 3? We have to express 3825. We have to express 3825 in terms of product of prime factor. It is again it is the same procedure, correct? 3825. So I have to divide this. So since my number ends with 5, I cannot start with the 2 or 3. I have to start with 5, correct? 5 7s are 35. So it is basically 32. So 5 6s are 30. 5 5s are, correct? So it is 765. Again, if I start with 5, so 5 1s are 5, correct? 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, correct? Then I'll go with 3. Okay. So whatever the order of numbers it is not a compulsory that you have to start with 2, 3 or 5. You can do it in any order because the prime factorization is always unique. So it is stated by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, correct? It is 51, correct? Again I can go with 3. So it is 3 1s are 3, 17s are, correct? So it is 17 1s are. So I got 1. So I can express 3825 in terms of, if I write it in ascending order, so it will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. You can write it in this form also. It is always the same, correct? So I can write this as 3 squared into 5 squared into 17. So this is my answer for 3825. So the fourth question and the fifth question is similar to this also. So it is basically expressing 5005 and expressing 7429 in terms of prime factors. You please try it out. If you find any difficulty, you can comment below. I will definitely give the complete solution for these 2 questions. Okay, so I hope this is clear. In the next lesson video, we'll be solving the next question of exercise 1.1. See you all in the next lesson video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and bye-bye.